One of the greatest tools in sales and relationship building, take this word down, empathy. Take a step back and ask yourself this question. Since I can't actually be in his or her shoes, what might it be like if I imagine? What might it be like to be in his or her shoes? What might it be like? And let me try to put myself there. If you do that and nothing else, you would be shocked at how much better you would get at asking really good questions and getting into a conversation trying to identify their needs. Now, don't try to act like you understand exactly what the other person's feeling, because you can't. The best kind of empathy I'm a fan of is having the other person believe that you've actually tried to imagine what it might be like to be in their position. That's all they want. Are you even taking the time to imagine what it might be like to have lost your house, to have a lighting grid that's wasting tons of money, to have a physical deformity that you want to fix? The fact that you're even trying to do it and they believe you care, because here's the number one rule in sales and business relationships. Number one rule: they need to know you care.